In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect an additional brand domain inside Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and head to your dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner and click on the Settings gear icon to access your account settings. Once the settings page opens, you'll land on the General Settings area. From here, scroll down the left-hand menu until you find the Domains option. To save time, you can also use the search bar at the top of the settings panel and simply type in domain. When it appears, click on Domain Manager. After the Domain Manager loads, you'll see a list of all domains currently connected to your Hubspot account, including your system domain. To add a new brand domain, click on Connect a Domain. Hubspot will then ask how you want to use the domain. In this example, select Hosting, which allows Hubspot to connect the domain using its built-in CDN for better performance and security. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your own domain and complete the setup. Once finished, your new brand domain will be successfully connected. That's it for this video. If you don't have a Hubspot account yet, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.